Hello, my name's Lisa. Welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to talk about prepositions. In bed, on the bed, in the chair, on the chair. Which one is correct? Let's take a closer look. Remember, when you talk about technology, use preposition on. On the computer, on the phone, on the radio, on TV, on Facebook, on Instagram. Let's look at some examples. He is busy. He is on the phone. Is he busy? Is he on the phone? Good job. She is on the computer. Are you on the computer or are you on the phone? Good job. Is she on the computer? Good job. He is watching cartoons on TV. What is he doing? Great job. And remember, when you talk about Facebook, we don't say, I have Facebook. We say, I'm on Facebook. I'm on Facebook. Are you on Facebook? Great job. I'm on Instagram. Are you on Instagram? Great job. She's on the computer. She is sitting at the desk. Sit, not in the desk, not on the desk. At the desk. She is sitting at the desk. She is sitting at the table. Is she sitting at the desk? Great job. She's on the computer. She's at the desk. Is she sitting in the chair or in the chair? Which one is correct? Sit. Sit in the chair. Is she sitting in the chair? Good job. But the jacket is on the chair. Where is the jacket? Is the jacket on the chair? Great job. In bed, on the bed, which one is correct? Both are correct, but they are different. In bed, under the cover, under the blanket. She is in bed. She is reading a book in bed. Is she reading a book in bed? Very good. And remember, in bed. We don't say in the bed, just in bed. She is reading a book in bed. She is reading a book in bed. Is she reading a book in bed? Good job. On the bed, on the cover, on the blanket. Is she reading a book on the bed? Good job. And remember, on the bed. The is important. On the bed. Is she reading a book on the bed? Good job. He is sick. Should he stay in bed? Where are the clothes? Are the clothes on the bed? Great job. Is she already in bed? Very good. Where is the toy? Is the toy on the bed? Great job. Remember, when you talk about technology, use preposition on. On the phone, on the computer, on Facebook, on Instagram. Sit at the desk. Sit in the chair. But the jacket is on the chair. In bed, under the cover, on the bed, on the cover. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn English and improve your pronunciation, subscribe to our channel. Bye!